Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how we can install WhatsApp on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Play Store app on your Android phone. And then you have to tap on search button right here on the top of your screen. Then you can simply write WhatsApp like this. And wait for a moment guys. Alright, and this is the WhatsApp that we can install, and since I have already installed the WhatsApp on my phone, the install button doesn't appear. But if you haven't installed it yet, the install button will appear right here, and you can simply click on install button if you want to install the WhatsApp. For example, this is the app that I haven't installed in my Android, so the install button appear on this app, so you can simply click on it to install the application. Alright guys, that's how we can install WhatsApp on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.